To stop your camera from displaying watermark on your photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable watermark feature on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap setting icon at the top left. Under picture section, tap the blue on off switch next to watermark until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see the result, tap the back key. Next, take a picture and then tap the picture thumbnail to view it on the gallery app. As you can see, now there's no watermark on the photo you took with the camera app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.